Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the AAXA Technologies L500 projector. This is a new movie projector that is HD LED. Wow, this is very nice. This looks like a little computer right here. Let me open this. The size of it is very nice. From the size of it, I know that it's just going to be super high quality. Look at that. Wow, so look at this. The lenses are very, very big. So you know that this is going to produce very good quality picture and projections. And in the back, you can see there's this DC port, USB port, digital video port, and an audio port. So let's get the wires out and give it a try. Instruction manual, okay, and there are some wires and a remote control, which is very handy, and finally the power and some audio wires. Okay, so now I'm adjusting the focus. Okay, it's getting better now. See? Okay, so now the focus is adjusted and now we can see it very clearly. And I'm just going to do English here, okay. So overall, I really am in love with this projector. It is so clear and it focuses very well, and the speaker is very good as well. So I was able to watch a movie and it is so clear and I'm just in love with it. So overall, I really like this product and I recommend this product to all of you. Thank you for watching this review. Hope to see you guys the next time.